Hello my lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Harriet, and today I'm back with another video. If you're new here, welcome to the Glam Squad. If you've been here before, thank you so much for stopping back by. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a cut crease. I'm going to be showing you how to cut your crease and why we do it. So please stay tuned for this video and please watch till the end, and let's get right into it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and make sure you stay tuned. Stay hooked to this Glam Squad, guys. It's amazing. Make sure you support and show some love. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. Cutting your crease is basically a makeup technique that shows off and widens your eyes to make it look like there is much depth. So whether you've got like hooded eyes, whether you've got small eyes, it makes your eyelids look a lot bigger. So it basically just creates your eyes and make them look more visible. When you put eyeshadow, and everything will just come into place, it makes it more visible. So for people like me, I've got straight eyes, so basically it just makes my eyeshadows more visible when I cut my crease. So it's more of an illusion, right? And there are types of cut crease. There's natural cut crease, there's a glam cut crease, there's a glitter cut crease, there's a smoky eye cut crease. So there's a whole lot of different types of cut crease. So let's get into the video where I show you how to cut your crease. So guys, I've already applied my foundation, my blush, I've already highlighted and done my eyebrows, except for the lips and the eyes, because we're going to focus more on the eyes today. So I'm basically just going to show you how to cut your crease, and it's going to be very simple, it's going to be very neutral, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get into the next part of this video. In this video, I'm going to be using one palette. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty palette. So make sure that your eyes are prepped. So to prep my eyelids, I'm just going to take my concealer. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro concealer, and then I'm just going to dab a little bit here. I'm going to prep my eyelids because it just basically makes my colors pop a lot more, but I'm not going to apply like a lot. So make sure that it's well blended. So we're going to use 3 eyeshadow colors today, and we're still using the Huda Beauty palette. So firstly, I'm gonna go in with my usual brush, and then firstly I'm going to use this brown first as my transition shade. So firstly, prime your eyelids. I primed with concealer, and then next up use a transition shade. So this will be the first color that we're going to use, and it's brown. So start from the corners of your eye and then bring it closer. I will zoom in so that you guys can see what I'm doing. So just lightly blend, and also bring it towards your eyebrows. Right, I hope you can see. And then I'm going to do the same on the other eye. At the beginning of your eye, right? See, simple. And then next up, I'm just going to go in Next up, I'm going to go in with this dark brown, this shade. I'm going to go in with this dark brown, and then I'm going to apply it. This is my second eyeshadow color. So I'm going to apply it also on the corners of my eye, or the edges of my eyelid. And then I'm going to gently bring it towards the beginning. As you keep doing it, guys, the more blended it is. So if you take your time when you're doing this, don't just rush, because your eyeshadows will not be blended and then they'll look a whole lot weird. So make sure that your eyeshadows are blended. So before you use the next color, make sure that the color that you're using is well blended before you go on to the next. So to cut my crease, I'm going to go in with my LA Grow Pro concealer, this one again, and then I'm going to dab it here. I'm going to take a very flat brush or a small brush. I'm going to use that to cut my crease. So I'm just going to take a little bit, and then this is how I'm going to do it. So what I do first, this is basically this is just an easy technique, guys. So what you do firstly, to see how and where your crease is supposed to cut, you just put a little bit of concealer here and then open your eyes. Do you see that it has marked this part of your eyelid? Let me do that on the other eye as well, so that you see what I'm talking about. So apply some concealer here in the middle and then open your eye. Do you see that the concealer has basically marked these two areas? So that's where our cut crease is going to pass through. So now we have a guideline of where the concealer is supposed to cut through. So now all you have to do is open your eyes, and you know where it's supposed to go. Open your eyes and start making an arc. So right now we're going to cut our crease just halfway through, and then we'll do a more detailed or a more full detailed cut crease. So just like that, guys, so easy. It's not even complicated. People should not lie to you and saying that cutting your crease is so hard. And then also create an arc again that passes through your. So do you see that already? By cutting my crease, it makes my eyes look like they're already defined. So if I put more color, then you will see that my eyes are more defined. So what I'm going to do is to perfect, so that you don't see the difference between the concealer and the color at the corners of your eye, because we cut our crease halfway through. So what I'm going to do is I'm still going to grab this brown shade, this one, and then I'm going to go through it. I'm going to go through, just going to apply here and just blend it. Just where the concealer and that other color divide each other, so that you cannot see the demarcations. So just blend that demarcation out. It will make it look so neutral. Guys, don't be heavy on the brush. I'm going to go in with a neutral gold, or is it? Okay, I'm going to go in with this shade. It's a goldish shade, this one, but this one is more lighter. I like using this for my highlight, so I'm going to use this one more in my crease, and this will be our third color. So what I'm going to do is, in the crease, when I'm applying in the crease, it's where we cut it and where they use concealer. So in my crease, I'm going to use this firm side of the brush because I want to pack that color on so that it's more visible and it's more clear. So I'm going to use that very same color and I'm going to pack it in. So let's see. So what I'm doing now is, I'm not going to spread it because concealer is liquid and it's smushy. So I'm not going to spread it because everything else will get khaki. So I'm going to tap to help the eyeshadow sit in the crease so that it looks nice. And pop. So just tap guys, do not spread. If you spread, it won't look nice. And then the other eye, we're just going to tap. Just tap, tap, tap. And then you're done, guys. You're done with cutting your crease. We've used 3 colors. That's enough. That's enough for everything. So next up, I'm just going to use this Palladio liquid eyeliner. Then I'm not going to do a wing. I'm just going to draw it on top. So let's see. Okay, and then the next eye, very simple because I don't want anything to be too dramatic. You can rock this to work, you can rock this to school, campus, anywhere. And I look good. I look good. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm not going to apply some eyelashes because I want it to be simple. I want to keep it simple and neutral. But at the end, you will see how perfect it will look. Like, you're going to love this. You're going to love it. You're gonna love it. Okay, next up, it's lipstick time, and I'm using this lipstick from Nikak. It had like a moisturizer on top, but then like, girl, I removed it, girl. I removed it. I don't know why I did that. But anyway, this is a red lip color. We're gonna be popping. Okay, so ooh. going to set, I'm gonna go in with this elf setting spray. It's the Matte Magic Mist and Set, and it looks really amazing. So I'm just going to shake it and girl, girl, girl. What? So this is basically the end result. It's super neutral, it's super nice, it's super easy, and guys, this is how I look, and hopefully you enjoyed this video and you learned a lot on basically how to catch a crease. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and tell me what you think. If you want me to create more videos like this for you, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.